you got in the world, and then all of a sudden here comes some situation at work or with a coworker or with your partner. Now you know philosophically that you should remain calm. And you've practiced the meditation, and so now you have some of that, a little bit of distance. And yet you still feel part of you that's reacting. Well, and sometimes it can be, I don't want to say overwhelming, but the heartbeat or the emotions that rise, there they are. Well, wouldn't it be nice if there was something you could do short of, saying time out, calling a time out and going somewhere and meditating? Well, there is. And what it is when you go about your daily activities, you can be aware of your hands. You can be aware of your hands. When you're driving your car, aware of your hands. And then what will they feel? A little tingly. They'll become a little warm, a little tingly. Or when you're going for a walk, you're looking around at things, and at the same time you're aware of your hands because you know how to do it now because you've been practicing it with the meditation. You're sitting in a chair, you become aware of your hands. You're watching television, and you know you're not supposed to get into the television, that you should be a little distant and lightly notice it. And what helps you to do that? Just be aware of your hands. See? Somebody is going on and on about something. Instead of getting irritated, you just stand back and become aware of your hands, and they become a little bit warm, a little bit tingly. Is that beautiful? Try it. It's beautiful. And you're extending the light. It's like a gift to your body. Your poor old body, which is because of your failure as a human being, as a person. You became resentful and angry. Now your body is reacting. Well, now as a gift to your body, you remain calm and you become aware of your hands. They begin to get a little bit warm. You're extending that inner light through your hands, through your body. See, and it reminds you. It helps you to remain calm when you feel the calmness in your hands.